Alright, let's make a video using the Windows Photos app. So we'll open up our Start menu and we'll scroll all the way down till we get to Photos. Okay, so what we'll do here is we want to create a custom video with music. And what we'll do is I've already prepared a folder that has the files and the images that I want. So that would probably be a good step before you even start the recording to do that. So just click on Folders, and then I'm going to add the folder that I've created, and I've called it Sample Video. And we'll add this folder to Pictures. So here's our sample folder, or sample video folder. I'll just click on that. And inside here I've got a couple of pictures and I have a couple of videos. And what we'll do is I'm just going to click on the video. They're just very short just to get started here. So I'll click on this video and then I'll hit create. And it will create a video from the selected items. We can always add the other items, which I'll show how to do. And I'll just call this sample video. So the items that you would select would be up here. So if you're not sure at first, you can just do one, just like I've done. And then you just take the item that's up here, in this case it's a video, and you just drag it down. Up in this window over here, it will show a preview of what the video looks like. So if you hit play, that will just go forward. And it will show the sample video, a whole minute and 8 seconds. If there's other things that you'd like to add, then we can add photos and videos, and we'll go to my collection and we'll go to folders, and I'm just going to pick the same folder that we had before, which was the sample video. And what we can do is I can just select all the items that are in here. So if you wanted to add things to your folder after, this might be the way to do it. We could have selected all of them from the beginning, but this is a good way to show what it looks like. And so we already have this one, and then we'll add. And now all those items appear up here. And so these screens I just made with PowerPoint, and then I just took a screenshot. And we can put them in different orders. So right now I have that first one that's in there, but maybe we want to have a welcome message. So I'll just bring this one down. Welcome to Google Sites, and then we can change the order. So I'm going to put this one first. Just drag it over there. And the time is down here that it shows, so this is only for 3 seconds. If you wanted to change the time, you just click on the time over here, and you can pick the times, or you can put in a custom time. And now we have a little intro. So if we hit play, we'll see it's not a real smooth transition. It's going to jump right to the video, but you can always add extra time if you wanted to make it so people wanted to read that a little bit longer. So then I've got a video over here, and then we'll scroll down. I'll bring this one some more resources, and then we'll scroll. Where's the other one? Week 4. We'll grab this one and bring it over here. And I think I had one more. Thanks for watching. Put this one over here. So we've got some pictures, which are our transition between 2 different video clips, which are pretty quick. And then you hit play right from the beginning, and it shows the pictures. It'll go to the video. When it gets to the end of this minute, it'll go to the other picture. Then it will go to the other video, and you can keep adding videos and pictures in different combinations. If you have a video that you've recorded like this one, and you think that it's too big or too small, or when you record it there was some part at the beginning or the end that you don't want and you want to trim, then you just click here. Oh, no, you don't just click there. Oh, here, excuse me. And what you can do is you can trim this way in the beginning, or you can grab and trim this way at the end. So if there's parts that, let's say that this was a little bit too much in the beginning and then a little bit too much at the end, leave it right over here. Done. And it's trimmed the video for you, so we took a couple seconds off. Some other features that you can add, you can crop, you can add some text. I don't really like the text the way that works. To me, it doesn't look like it fits in very well, but there's some other features that you can kind of work with here. At the top, music is kind of a good one, so you can click on the music, and you can just sample what each of these musical songs are, and you can have it so it syncs, that the video syncs to the music, or you don't have to do it like that. You can also add in your own music if you like. Once that's in there, you can also change the volume. So let's just put this one in for the time being. The other thing that you can do is when you're finished with your video, you can go up here and you can export it to share it. So you've got some options, the smallest, medium, large, and you click on that. Then you can save it to the different file types that you like, upload it to Google Drive, upload it to YouTube, and you'll be on your way. So there's not many features in the Photos app, but there is enough that you can create at least a video to do a quick tour of a website, or for flipping a classroom, giving a quick online instruction. There's enough available here so that it makes it so it's watchable. All right, thanks for watching.